Samsung is gearing up to launch its new mid-range smartphones, the Galaxy F35 5G and Galaxy F55 5G, catching attention with their listings on international certification sites. While we're still in the dark about the full specs, the buzz suggests some exciting features. The Galaxy F35 5G is rumored to come with 25W fast charging, an Exynos 1380 chipset, 6GB of RAM, and will run on the latest Android 14 OS. It's expected to boast a 6.6-inch AMOLED display, a 32-megapixel selfie shooter, and a 120Hz screen refresh rate, alongside a triple-camera setup with a 50-megapixels main camera. On the other hand, the Galaxy F55 5G is anticipated to share the 25W charging capability and might feature a slightly larger 6.5-inch OLED screen, also with a 120Hz refresh rate. It could be powered by an Exynos 1480 chipset, include an AMD GPU, and come with a beefy 5000 mAh battery. The camera array might include a 50-megapixels primary sensor, complemented by a 12-megapixels ultrawide and a 5-megapixels macro lens, with a 32-megapixels front camera. Leaks hint at 3 chic colors and a sleek design with a metal frame and a modern flat-edge look. These upcoming devices are set to heat up the competition in the mid-range market, with the Galaxy F35 5G expected to launch by the end of this quarter and the Galaxy F55 5G slated for a release between April and June 2024. Stay tuned for more updates on these promising Samsung smartphones.